Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing with the topic of drowning, and this is the 8th lecture of this series. And in this lecture, I will continue with the internal autopsy findings in drowning. In this, I will be discussing the significance of diatoms in drowning. What are diatoms? Diatoms are microscopic unicellular algae suspended in water, and most of the natural water contain the diatoms. They have a silicon cell wall which resists acid digestion, heat, and putrefaction. Their average size is 10 micron to 80 micron. These are various species showing in the picture. They live free or unite to form colonies either in plankton form or attached with some object or something. Only the living person with the circulation intact can transport diatoms from the lungs to the tissues, and where they can be detected with the help of microscope. So this is the diagram showing the circulation, that from water it enters into the lungs, and from the capillaries of the blood they enters into the circulation, and the heart pumps to all the viscera. So their presence within the viscera is the only of no significance unless we prove that it contains the same species of diatoms which are in that medium from which the body was found. That merely the detection of diatoms have many species. So when we want to confirm that person was dead because of drowning in this medium, then these species present within the body should match the species in the medium from where the body is recovered. Now, how we do perform the diatom test? Diatom detection is basically the only golden principle which helps in confirmation of the drowning. These are various species. The diatoms are, we know that they are silicon walled unicellular microorganisms, and a sample of material can be obtained from the femoral or the sternal bone marrow. A small portion of bone marrow is scooped out into a test tube, strong nitric acid is added, and it is heated till the clear fluid is obtained. It is then cooled and the sediment is examined under the microscope. The fresh water and the seawater diatoms, they are different. And the diatom test is valid only if the deceased did not drink this water immediately before submersion. The species recovered from the specimen are present in the specimen from the site, and the species are in the same order of predominance. If the species of the diatoms found in the body match with the species of the diatom from the water where the body was found, it is strongly positive evidence of drowning. Thank you very much. So this was all about the significance of diatoms in drowning.